This is a 52-inch antique brass Hunter low profile ceiling fan from the mid 1980s. This is a 3-speed fan. It is electrically reversible. The fan has the isolation ring, which a lot of the older low profiles used. Pretty nice fan overall here, runs pretty good. Cosmetic wise, it's in decent shape, but the fan came from Florida, so it's kind of not in the best condition otherwise, but it runs pretty good though. Let's start it up here. Here's the light. There's no Swiss cap on the fan, so I have to use the light for demonstration. And I'll start it up here on high. Kind of wobbles a little bit. The blades are out of alignment. It's got a slight bearing noise too, but nothing real bad really. Also had to find spare parts for this fan too to get it to run. The hooks that the motor hangs on the mounting plate were missing, so I had to find a spare motor housing to get those hooks off of. And here's a low speed. That's the only thing besides the switch cap. Now the light, that's not original to the fan. And we'll shut it off. And that's about it for this video, so I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this mid-80s antique brass Hunter low profile.